I looked into Zapier, N8n, and Make, and honestly, these three automation tools each have strengths, but they're built for different types of users. Zapier is the simplest and most beginner-friendly option. It has the largest library of integrations, a clean interface, and extremely reliable workflows. The downside is the price. As your tasks scale, Zapier becomes one of the most expensive automation platforms out there. N8n, on the other hand, is the best choice if you want open-source freedom. You can self-host it, build complex workflows, add custom logic, and avoid subscription fees altogether. It's perfect for developers and businesses that want full control. But the learning curve is higher, and it takes more time to set up. Make, formerly Integromat, sits right in the middle. It's visual, powerful, and great for complex automations without requiring full technical skills. The Scenario Builder lets you branch workflows, use variables, and handle data in ways Zapier can't. It's also cheaper than Zapier for most users. So which is best in 2026? Zapier, best for beginners and simple, reliable automations. N8n, best for developers and self-hosted control. Make, best for advanced automations without coding. If you want the best balance of power and price, Make is the strongest overall pick.